This year's 4th of July celebrations are going to be extra special with the use of drones for the fireworks displays in many locations. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at CyberGuy.com. That is where you can get my newsletter for free. All right, drone companies like Sky Elements are pioneering this new technology to create amazing light shows in the night sky. Now, instead of traditional fireworks that shoot up, explode, and disappear, these drones can choreograph precise movements and patterns with staying power. It's like having hundreds of flying pixels painting pictures in the air. Cities across the country are getting in on the action too. Now, places like Laguna Beach, California, have already started replacing their old fireworks shows with these innovative drone displays. I'm more of a traditional fireworks show kind of guy, even though switching to alternate drone shows are environmentally friendly and allow the stars to still shine through. The best part is how quiet these drone shows are compared to ground fireworks, which, if you've got a dog, you know it is their least favorite night of the year. More cool tech like this at CyberGuy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Open a browser, type CyberGuy.com, and click the little red button.